Welcome to TechDevil. I bet you didn't know how revolutionary the iPhone 15 Pro is. Today we're diving into the world of Apple's newest marvel, the iPhone 15 Pro. From the original iPhone to the sleek designs of recent years, Apple has consistently pushed the boundaries of technology. With the iPhone 15 Pro, they're promising a giant leap into the future of mobile. Buckle up as we explore what makes this phone a game-changer. The iPhone 15 Pro is more than just a phone, it's a statement that whispers luxury and screams performance. This year's model is all about refinement. It takes the best of the iPhone 14 Pro and elevates it, seamlessly integrating into every aspect of your digital life. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or a creative professional, the iPhone 15 Pro demands your attention. Stick around as we dissect its features and analyze its performance. Let's talk aesthetics. The iPhone 15 Pro boasts a design that's both familiar and refreshingly new. Crafted with surgical-grade stainless steel and a textured matte glass back, it feels solid and premium. Apple's attention to detail is evident in the precisely engineered curves and seamless camera module. Thinner bezels further immerse you in its visual brilliance. The iconic notch is gone, replaced by a pill-shaped cutout for the camera and Face ID sensors. Available in stunning colors, including a new mystic blue, the iPhone 15 Pro is an expression of your personality. The iPhone 15 Pro boasts a stunning 6.1-inch Super Retina XDR display with ProMotion. This means you get an incredibly smooth 120 Hz refresh rate that makes scrolling through web pages, playing graphically intensive games, and watching movies an absolute delight. The display is HDR certified with a peak brightness of 2000 nits, delivering vibrant colors, deep blacks, and incredible contrast for an immersive viewing experience. Under the hood, the iPhone 15 Pro is powered by Apple's latest A17 Bionic chip, a technological marvel that sets new standards in mobile processing. This chip is built on a 3-nanometer process, making it incredibly power efficient while delivering a significant boost in CPU and GPU performance compared to its predecessor. This translates to lightning-fast app launches, seamless multitasking, and console-quality gaming, all while sipping battery life. The A17 Bionic chip also enables remarkable advancements in computational photography. It powers the new photonic engine, which processes images at an incredible speed, capturing more detail and delivering stunning results even in challenging lighting conditions. Whether you're a casual user or a mobile photography enthusiast, the iPhone 15 Pro's performance is designed to impress. Let's talk about the star of the show, the camera. The iPhone 15 Pro features a triple camera system that's been significantly upgraded to capture stunning photos and videos. The main wide-angle camera now boasts a 48-megapixel sensor with a wider aperture. This results in sharper images with incredible dynamic range, especially in low-light conditions. The ultra-wide-angle camera captures a wider field of view with improved image quality. Enhanced macro photography lets you capture intricate details like never before. The new periscope telephoto lens offers a remarkable 5x optical zoom. Zoom in closer to your subjects without sacrificing image quality. The iPhone 15 Pro empowers you to capture and share your world in breathtaking detail. Section 5: Battery and Charging Power-Up. Battery life is crucial, and the iPhone 15 Pro doesn't disappoint. Packing a larger battery and the efficiency of the A17 Bionic chip, this phone is designed to keep up with your demanding day. Whether you're browsing the web, streaming content, or editing videos on the go, you can expect impressive battery life that will easily last you through the day. Charging has also been enhanced with the inclusion of a USB-C port, a first for iPhones. This allows for faster charging speeds, so you can spend less time tethered to a power outlet and more time enjoying your device. The iPhone 15 Pro also supports fast wireless charging and MagSafe accessories, providing you with a seamless and convenient charging experience. Apple has incorporated several software optimizations to further enhance battery life. The latest version of iOS intelligently manages background processes and app activity to minimize power consumption without compromising performance. With its long-lasting battery and versatile charging options, the iPhone 15 Pro ensures that you're always powered up and ready to go. Section 6: Software, Harmony, iOS 17. The iPhone 15 Pro runs on the latest iOS 17, a significant update that complements the hardware perfectly. iOS 17 introduces a host of new features and improvements, focusing on personalization, privacy, and seamless integration across Apple devices. One notable feature is the enhanced focus modes, which allows you to customize your phone's behavior based on your current activity. For instance, you can set a work focus that only allows notifications from work-related apps and silences everything else. iOS 17 also brings improvements to Siri, Apple's voice assistant. Siri is now more intuitive and responsive, allowing you to control your device, get information, and complete tasks using natural language commands. With its user-friendly interface, robust features, and unwavering commitment to privacy, iOS 17 enhances the already exceptional user experience offered by the iPhone 15 Pro. Section 7. The price of innovation. Innovation comes at a cost, and the iPhone 15 Pro is no exception. Starting at $999 for the base model, it's priced at the premium end of the smartphone spectrum. However, considering the cutting-edge technology, premium materials, and the seamless user experience it offers, the price is justified for those seeking the absolute best in mobile technology. Of course, the iPhone 15 Pro is a significant investment, and it's essential to weigh the pros and cons based on your individual needs and budget. If you're looking for a phone with the latest and greatest features, unparalleled performance, and a camera that rivals professional setups, then the iPhone 15 Pro is worth every penny. However, if you're on a tighter budget or don't require the absolute cutting edge, there are other options available within Apple's iPhone lineup or from competitors. Section 8. Should you upgrade? The big question, should you upgrade to the iPhone 15 Pro? If you're using an iPhone 13 Pro or older, the answer is a resounding yes. You'll experience a significant leap in performance, camera capabilities, and overall user experience. The A17 Bionic chip alone is a game-changer, providing a noticeable difference in responsiveness and speed. However, if you're rocking an iPhone 14 Pro, the decision is a bit more nuanced. While the iPhone 15 Pro does offer significant upgrades, they might not be as immediately apparent or necessary for everyone. If you're content with the performance and features of your iPhone 14 Pro, you could consider waiting for the next iteration or exploring other options within Apple's ecosystem. Ultimately, the decision to upgrade depends on your individual needs, budget, and how much you value having the latest and greatest technology at your fingertips. Section 9. The verdict. An iPhone for the future. The iPhone 15 Pro is more than just an upgrade. It's a statement of Apple's unwavering commitment to pushing the boundaries of technology. With its refined design, powerful A17 Bionic chip, stunning display, and a camera system that captures the extraordinary, the iPhone 15 Pro redefines what a smartphone can be. While the price may be a barrier for some, there's no denying that this phone offers an unparalleled mobile experience. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a creative professional, or just someone who demands the best, the iPhone 15 Pro is a worthy contender for your attention. It's a phone built for today and tomorrow, seamlessly blending cutting-edge technology with intuitive software to create a device that's both powerful and incredibly easy to use. So there you have it, folks. The iPhone 15 Pro, a glimpse into the future of mobile technology. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and stay tuned for more tech updates.